the silent night I ponder, holding on to a longing that never fades. Your shadow always lingers in my heart, leaving traces that never disappear. I can't take a step without you here with me. Every breath feels heavy without you by my side. It's hard for me without you. My life feels empty. Every second passes slowly. In this loneliness I miss you. Under the gray sky, beautiful memories with you return. I try to be strong, but yet this pain shackles my heart. I can't take a step. Beautiful memories with you return. I try to be strong, but can't. This pain shackles my heart. I can't take a step without you here with me. Every breath feels heavy without you by my side. It's hard for me without you. My life feels empty. Every second passes slowly. In this loneliness I miss you. Under the gray sky, beautiful memories with you return. I try to be strong, but yet this pain shackles my heart. Could you feel the same emptiness without me? If only you would come back, I would erase this pain. It's hard for me without you. My life feels empty. Every second passes slowly. In this loneliness I miss you. Under the gray sky, beautiful memories with you return. I try to be strong, but yet this pain shackles my heart. It's hard for me without you. I can't do this alone. In the dark, I hope you will come back to me.